Hey there everyone, and welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you: mini drone versus drone with camera. These two products are perfect for anyone looking to explore the world of aerial photography or just have some fun. So let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. The mini drone comes equipped with a 90 degrees manual adjustable 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. This allows you to capture better aerial photos and videos. Plus, with FPV transmission, you can see the fabulous scenery and live videos on the app and easily share it on social media. The mini drone offers a respectable 18 to 21 minutes of flying time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. It also features low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. The mini drone stands out with its voice and gesture control capabilities, making it easier for beginners and kids to operate. It also offers multiple fun flight modes and advanced flight functions like gravity sense mode, altitude hold mode, and headless mode. Overall, the mini drone is highly recommended for beginners and kids. Reviewers praise its easy setup, enjoyable flying experience, and the camera feature. It is considered a great toy for young drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the drone with camera offers advanced features, longer flight time, and professional after-sales support. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly design, compact size, and high-quality camera. It is highly recommended for beginners and experienced pilots. And that concludes our comparison between the mini drone and the drone with camera. Both products have their strengths, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Remember, you can find more detailed information and purchase links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Buy Smart for more product comparisons and helpful buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.